Hello mga boss, handa ka na ba na i-turn yung skills mo into an income? If oo, let's get started. So today, I'm gonna share with you yung 2 months na namin na niluluto na startup. And finally, we're out of beta. And this coming September 19 is yung pinaka-official launch ng Upsquera. So, before I begin, maraming comment or nagfe-feedback sa akin na mahirap mag-market sa Pinas. Bakit ka magke-create ng startup here sa Pinas? Eh, ang hina-hina ng market dito. Which is, for me, I think that's really true na pagka gumawa ka talaga ng application available globally, it's going to become better than locally lang dito sa Pinas. Kasi we know naman, di ba, dito sa Pinas. Pero kasi for me, I really want na magkaroon tayo ng or I really want to revolutionize on how we learn things, how we, earn things as well or have an extra income in made for Filipinos or only for the Filipinos for now, 'no? Kasi, as a content creator myself, 'no, I've been teaching, programming tutorials for free, and I know the pain, 'no? Even if you have monetized community, it's really hard to grow your communities and also at the same time, it's really hard to earn money from your contents. Kasi unlike the other creators, ang nangyayari is meron 'di ba kailangan mataas yung engagement mo, ganito, ganyan, kailangan may followers kang ganito, ganito, ganyan. No. So ngayon kami, we build Upskwela, a platform where you can turn your skills into an income immediately from day one. All right. So Upskwela is an all-in-one platform where you can create your communities and you can turn your communities into paid. No, you can create your membership tier. No, it's up to you kung how many membership tier yung gusto mo. Basta kailangan mong create ng courses mo, syempre, para makuha mo yung trust ng mga magjo-join sa'yo. And then so on and so on. As long as you have skills, any knowledge on a certain field, people will pay you. Para lang maka-access dun sa exclusive courses mo and so on and so on. Now, ngayon, this is for Filipinos, no? I got you guys. We can do this, no? Pinoy Pride. This is the platform that will revolutionize our learning and earning at the same time. So right now we have 769 users, 30 courses, 30 community posts, and so on and so on. So who is Subsquela is for? It's for everybody actually, for coaches, educators, students, professional creators, influencers, companies, and so on. It's for you guys. Okay? Atin to. Why choose Subsquela? It's local payment. That's the first thing. No? Kasi sa mga ibang platform, no, it's not available yung mga GCash, basta yung mga local payments natin dito. It's all-in-one platform, PHP pricing, no? Meron din tayong AI tool for helping na mag-create tayo ng content and built for you guys, for Filipino, for us Filipinos. It's time for us. It's time to move forward. It's time to revolutionize the platform where we can be proud that we have this in the Philippines. No? So, community-based learning, ito yung mga features na meron kami. And yung current na mga communities na nag-create na, so actually by today you can start creating your contents, no? So these are the communities. You can see the verified one, which is this one. Ito yung pinaka-upscala. And then meron ka ng libreng profile ng community mo. So this is SEO ready as well, no? So yan, how many members do you have? How many membership do you have? And the courses. Makikita dito kung may courses ka. Right now, let's go to the pricing. And ngayon, question, may bayad ba siya? Yes and no, no? You can always start sa free. And then, you can earn then, kahit free lang, yung community mo. Yun nga lang, may mga limitations ka. Na hanggang 50 lang yung paid members, hanggang 100 lang yung mga free members mo. And 35 yung share platform. So, you can see all of that question sa FAQs. And right now, syempre, mapapano ka, ang tataas naman yan. Ang tataas. Ngayon, may kita mo dito yung transparency namin. Okay? May kita nyo, pwede nyo i-calculate or forecast yung pwede nyo kitain for any specific plan. No? For example, let's go to the premium. No? You have tier. So you can have multiple tier. No? It's up to you kung magkano yung pricing. Okay? Let's just say, for example, may 100 tayo and then nakakuha kayo ng 50 members, for example. Now, you're not paying anything. Ang pinakapuhunan mo lang yung skills ng pag-create mo ng content and then that's it. No? So you can earn 5,000, that's the gross. No? Kung gusto mo yung makita yung pinaka-detailed breakdown, so this is the payment. So yung kaltas sa'yo is transaction fee lang, which is 660, and then yung platform share lang na 1.5. And then yung magiging net mo is 2,821 from your 5K. So you're not paying anything. Okay? So that's basically it. So you can have, you can have multiple tier like what I said kanina. And then sa roadmap naman namin is we're already, gaya na sabi ko kanina, yung launch namin, no? We're out of beta na. And July, natapos na namin yung mga core features. And then yung monetization as well, this last month lang. And then ngayong September, we already updated as well or shipped yung mga items na to. And now we're looking more good. We're just gonna continue improving the platform. If you have any feedback and if you feel like you're one of the people na gusto talaga mag-i-turn yung skills nila into an income, this is for you. And yeah, I'm very excited na ma-onboard kayo sa Appskwela. See you.